Hi everyone. Wow, words cannot express how grateful I am for all of your support. Because of you, we raised $3,000 so far. However, I still need your help if we're going to reach that $30,000 goal. As a thank you to my donors and to help spread the word, I've decided to release these short educational videos to help explain different aspects of my research. Now, in my last video, I mentioned how I'm studying ancient climates, so for today's video, let's dive into the Late Paleozoic Ice Age, or LPIA, an important chapter in Earth history which took place 330 to 270 million years ago. As some of you may know, the Earth has undergone multiple ice ages over the past 4.5 billion years. There was the ice age we're currently in, there was Snowball Earth, but what makes the LPIA so unique is that along with modern times, it was the only other major ice age that occurred long after plants and animals had already colonized land. You see, during this colder time period, the animals living on land could be evenly split between two major groups. On the one hand, you had animals which needed to spend their entire lives around water, such as ancient amphibians and fish. But on the other hand, you had the ancestors of ancient mammals and reptiles, which can spend their entire lives in very dry environments. However, when the LPIA began to end around 300 million years ago, there is a lot of geologic evidence that the Earth began to significantly dry up. And the fossil record begins to significantly shift as well, going from this previous even mix of aquatic, semi-aquatic, and terrestrial animals all sharing the environment to one that's almost exclusively dominated by terrestrial animals, which presumably could survive the arid environments a lot better. However, many questions still remain, which is why it's so important to study rocks like the Cutler Group in Utah, because they actually record what life and the environment were going through during this important climatic shift. By analyzing the chemical and magnetic properties of these rocks, we can uncover how quickly life and the environment adapted to these abrupt climate transitions, which is a subject that has a lot of relevance today. Your support is crucial to keep this research going, so please consider donating and sharing the link to help unlock Earth's ancient climate secrets. That's it for now. This is Jonathan. Thanks for watching.